What's up, YouTube family? It's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with another video. All right, y'all already know how I do it, man. Let's get to it. All right, so today I want to talk to you guys about what's extremely important, or one of the things that are extremely important before you even start your business. Okay, before you even start your business, this is one of the things that you need. Okay, now I got some good news for you. And I got some bad news for you. The good news is I'm here, right? The bad news is if you've already established a business and you haven't done this, then unfortunately, you won't be getting the best limits. Sorry to tell you, you won't be getting the best limits on anything, credit cards, loans, anything like that, right? And one of the things that are extremely important before you even set up your business is you need to go and you need to get a 1-800 number. Okay? You need a 1-800 number for your business. That's extremely important. Why is it important? Because what business doesn't have a 1-800 number? What business can you call? You can call Apple, you can call Galaxy, you call Chick-fil-A. Any business, corporate business, a properly structured business that you call has a 1-800 number. Okay? If a bank sees that, yes, it is not your primary number, but if it sees your state's area code and just a different number, it doesn't matter. Okay? The banks are very, very smart. Okay? So they understand if this person has a 1-800 number for their business, then that's a properly structured person, because that person is going to do the right thing. So when you qualify for a $100,000 loan, or when loans go up to $100,000, these are one of the ways that you're going to be able to qualify for those loans. Right? You need a 1-800 number. Just think about it. Any business, you call the credit bureaus, that's a 1-800 number. Every single business, right? We want to mimic what businesses are doing. I'm talking from the bottom to the top. We want to mimic it. So if I got a pet care business, okay, I still want to mimic Best Buy's motto, right? If I have a car cleaning business, I still want to follow Target's motto. I still want a 1-800 number, right? That's mandatory. Guys, that is mandatory. Please trust me when I tell you. So if you're one of those people who don't have a business set up already, please implement in this new business that you establish. Implement that 1-800 number. And you can get those 1-800 numbers from grasshopper.com. That's a good place to get a 1-800 number from. Another place to get a good 1-800 number from is ringcentral.com, right? A Grasshopper, I think, is a little bit cheaper, but those are two places where you can go and you can get 1-800 numbers, all right? They're extremely important. Now, for the people who have businesses already set up, structured, established, and things like that, what you guys can do is you guys can actually change your phone number. You can change your business phone number and things like that with your state. And make sure that anything that you apply for, make sure that you change the business phone numbers for that as well, so that the algorithm can be picked up through nav.com and it can send a signal all across the board, right? Guys, this is extremely important. Remember, if you don't have a 1-800 number, you will not qualify for the best limits. Everybody on this channel will qualify for the best limits. All right. And of course, this is what all my students know. Of course, these are all of my businesses are under 1-800 numbers and things like that. And also, you want to make sure that you do the same too. Okay. You want to make sure you do the same thing too. 1-800 numbers are extremely important. Another thing is, if you need to know, there's two ways. You can send a form to update your businesses, right? Update the address or update the phone numbers or whatever it is that you want to do. Or you can actually give them a call. Do it that way, okay? But make sure that going forward, you want to make sure that you put the new 1-800 number that you have when you're going to apply for different things, and not the old number that you had, because that number is in the past. All right, it's Credit Guy Frank here, man. I'm going to put you guys up on game with everything that's going on in the space. I'm going to make sure that you guys can go in the bank. You can get the best loans. I'm going to make sure you guys can go to the car lots. You can get the best whips. I'm going to make sure you guys can go get the best rental properties, get the best cribs, man. It's Credit Guy Frank here, coming to you today with another video. Remember, it's all about structure. If you need any type of help, you can always hit me up. My info is in the description. I got to keep you guys up on game, man. It's Credit Guy Frank here, coming to you today with another video. I'm out.